Hi guys, today I will share with you how to mix the clay, polymer clay, to get the result which you like, the skin tone, whatever you like for your dolls, for your fairy, any creature you create. So be with me, don't miss out. So guys, before you mix the clay, always remember to clean with piece of clay which you don't use to anything, and clean it your table with clay. I know your table is clean, but you still have to make sure not any dust, not anything on your table before you mix in the clay, because if you get something dirt, that's you're going to be struggling to sculpt or create anything. So this one.
Oh, she again. Hi, I think it's Cenrnit next to us. She's not Fimo. Why is she putting Cenrnit too next to me? Hi guys. Oh my god, what's she doing? She taking my clothes off. I don't want to be naked. Hey lady, leave me alone. Leave me alone. No, I don't want the people see my privacy. And she's gonna do a very awesome doll. Oh my god, I'm so tired of her.
So she
I
gonna
hope she's not
cut
gonna
us
hurt
to
me anymore.
pieces. I can survive, I can do.
Guys, don't worry, this is no horror film, this is just mixing clay.
So let's start it to mix all the clay, the Fimo clay white and the Fimo clay skin tone, and Cenrnit. You need to Cenrnit because that is really helpful to when you create the dolls and you create anything. It'll help you to be clay to make really strong. So also guys, if you remember, always when you mix the clay, make sure you are feeling very good, you have very good vibe, because anything we touch, anything we do, this is our energy we carry on, and that's why you have to feel very happy, energetic and very cheerful. Enjoy your moment when you create. Just be happy when you create. Don't think about results. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, and that will help me to create more videos and share all my ideas and secrets with you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Bye bye.